Sometimes, accidents happen, and industrial devices stop working. You can buy a new device. Or we can fix the old one for you. We receive your broken device. Then we search for the proper industrial code. In the next phase, our engineers start looking for the problem. We are talking about solutions and we try to find the best one for you. Then our engineers start to fix the problem. At the end of procedure, we check to see if all is well. Then we send the repaired device back to you. Now, we move to the next challenge. And the next one. And the next one. Because that's what we do, every day. We fix things. Volt Electro Lab Industrial Electronic Service. Like new. Cheaper. With passion.